So here's the finished product of our IMU device with all three things. You see that when we turn it, the compass keeps pointing north, you pitch up, the pitch indicator moves, you pitch down, the pitch indicator goes down, you roll and pitch, they both move, the compass stays steady, same as the other way. So it turned out pretty cool. So here is the code for the finished IMU project, and again I just started halfway down the program because the above is everything we did previously. So here's where I set the headers, and that's the same as the last video. I actually used 3 separate functions to plot the compass, the roll and the pitch, and that's in the void loop here. And then the 3 plots, I did update since our last video, the cosine and sine values here. I switched them. I had them switched originally. It worked, but I switched them so that the cosine was for the x. Although here they are backwards, and what I found was that having them reversed takes care of that 90-degree offset between the mathematical points and the compass points. It may not be the best way to do it, but it seemed to work in all cases, so I did it like that. And then the plot roll, here is my code. Again, it's considerably different than yours. Probably not as clean because I needed some if statements to make it work, but it seems to work properly, and I'm happy with it, so I left it just so I could have a record of what I did rather than what you did, although I did download your code and save it, so I have that also. And then the same with the pitch. Your way of calculating y makes much more sense, and it's clear that they would both be the same, but I didn't think that far ahead till I watched your video. So here I calculate them, and it's basically the same, except I use the absolute values of pitch, get them to the right degrees for the line, and then calculate it just minus y and plus y based on which way the value of the pitch C is. So it worked. Again, it's not as clean as your code, but I was happy with how it turned out. So thanks again for doing these lessons.